Hello, everyone! Today we're going to talk about how to start your day. Whether you are new to wellness or you have been practicing for years, this is the perfect routine to help you ease into your day. This 5-minute morning routine can help you wake up your body and mind and set you up for success. Let's get started. So the first thing that we want to do in our 5-minute morning routine is wake up and drink water. The reason why we want to do this is because throughout the night we lose a lot of fluids. We breathe out carbon dioxide, and we also lose a lot of fluids through our skin. So when we wake up, it's really important to rehydrate our bodies so that we can function optimally. And what I recommend is to drink 16 ounces of water first thing in the morning. You don't want to chug it. You just want to kind of enjoy it, feel it, hydrate you. And if you want to add something else to your water, you can add a little bit of lemon juice or apple cider vinegar. Next, we're going to do some deep breathing. Now, there are many different ways that we can do this. We could visualize, we could meditate, but deep breathing is one way that we can calm down our nervous system. Our sympathetic nervous system is what they call the fight or flight mode, and that's the part of our nervous system that gets activated when we're stressed. When we're in that fight or flight mode, it's very hard for us to focus. It's very hard for us to be present. And the best way to come out of that mode is by calming down our nervous system. And one way that we can do that is through deep breathing. So what I like to do is I like to take 4 deep breaths in, and then I count to 4, and then I let it out. So you're breathing in 1, 2, 3, 4, and then letting it out 1, 2, 3, 4. And then once you do that, you'll notice that you'll feel more grounded, you'll feel more present, and you'll be able to start your day with more energy. Next, we want to move our body. Now, there are many ways that we can move our body. You can do some sun salutations, you can do some yoga, you can walk outside. But the most important thing is that you find some way to move your body. Because when we move our body, we increase our blood flow. We're circulating our blood, and we're waking up our muscles. So some light movements that you can do is shoulder rolls. You can stretch. You can do downward dog. You can do upward dog. Whatever you want to do to kind of get the blood flowing. And again, you want to do this for about a minute or two. Then lastly, you want to set an intention for the day. So the reason why I love this one is because we are setting ourselves up for success. So whatever it is that you want to accomplish for the day, you want to say, okay, this is my intention. This is what I want to accomplish. And the universe will work with you. Things will kind of fall into place, and you will be able to accomplish everything that you need to do. So now we've moved our body, we've hydrated, we've set an intention, and we've calmed down our nervous system. And these are all things that we can do in just 5 minutes. So if you're looking for a quick morning routine that will help you wake up your body and mind, then this is it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you try out this routine, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. Namaste.